Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video I'm going to be talking about BuddyBoss. It's become really popular if you're looking to use WordPress for your learning management system and you need a forum, a social area, a bit like Facebook. You want to mimic Facebook, but you want that total control. That's what you get with BuddyBoss. It's really fully functioned, works beautifully with LifterLMS and LearnDash. They're a great crew. And in this video, I'm going to show you 4 of the top resources that review BuddyBoss and also educate you how to set it up, basically. I'm only going to show you 4 of a 10 resources that you will find in a that we've got available on the WP-Tonic website. I've just written a post, the 10 best resources, lessons on BuddyBoss in 2020. You'll find that on the WP-Tonic website. But because I want to keep this video short and sweet, I'm going to show you the first 4, and then you can go to the article if you want the full 10, basically. So let's get on with it. So let's choose to share my screen. And, oops. And you should be seeing my screen now. And the number 1 that you, that's a really great introduction is on Entrepreneur, funny enough. They've done a really nice introduction on the fundamentals of BuddyBoss, what it can do for you, what are some of its key features. It's a great introduction, actually. So you got that. And then this is from the Perfect Membership. This is from the Blog Marketing Academy. And they've done a really nice video here that is a great introduction. It goes into all the main parts of BuddyBoss, and it's a great starter training lesson. It's kind of like a review, and it's also got some fantastic training elements. Another one we got here is from Hero Themes. They've got a really nice introduction here that goes into a fair, you can see it goes into it in a fair bit of detail. It's mostly about what themes you've got. This is more theme focused because BuddyBoss, that's one of the confusing things with BuddyBoss, because not only is it a plugin, it's a theme that combined together. Right. And another great resource is from Max. He's done a load of reviews on various things. He's an excellent resource. And he has done quite an in-depth review, semi-tutorial about setting up, and this is really excellent. Always like Max's stuff here. So I've just shown you about 4 of the 10 that I looked at. It's always nice to have one of those lists from somebody who actually knows something about it, and it will save you a lot of time trawling YouTube and the internet in general, that you've got a nice list of all the best resources at the end of 2020. So if this video has been really any of help to you, subscribe to the WP-Tonic channel and give me a thumbs up. It really helps the video, and it will be shown to more people that are looking for resources around BuddyBoss. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.